Hello, my friends, and welcome to our next camping adventure. Cheers, folks. Well, unlike our last adventure, this one, where we got a late start, this one we're getting a pretty early start. I'm pretty excited about it. So, my friends, y'all buckle up, grab your beverage of choice for our ride down there, and I'll see you when we get to that campground. You folks take care. Let's go. Well, my friends, since we got a nice early start, I thought we would swing by one of these lakes down here, see if we can catch us a fish. It'd be just a great way to spend the afternoon. Oh my gosh, the temperatures are fantastic, my friends. So give me a few minutes and we'll get some things set up. Kick back and relax. Oh, this is beautiful out here. My goodness. Slope's just right too. It's almost like sitting in a lounge chair. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys saw that. There's several little finches that have just been flying around this little area. And that was a brave one. Flew right underneath our fishing lines. Oh, amazing. got a bunch of bait sealers, folks. He gets bites and bringing in nothing. Bit this one. I'm just gonna set it back down. I'm not even gonna play with it. I'm just gonna set her back down. We'll just see what happens. I also brought my little pole. Oh shoot! Maybe that's a trick. Maybe I can't have my hands on it. Something's messing with it. I think it's something small. I think they're picking up and running with it and dropping it. They're getting it, or the line's just pulling it right out of their mouth. That happens. Oh, GoPro. Jeez. Yeah. Too much going on all at one time. Oh, I missed that one. Jiminy crickets. Oh, I'm just not one to catch a fish this year, my friends. One of them hit it on the way in. I felt hurt. And no bait. We're going to keep trying, though. We got plenty of time. Oh, my goodness. Holy catfish. Or so I hope. Oh. Just sat down to bait that hook. And boom, there it went. Oh. All right. We know there's fish in here. Let me bait this one back up and then we'll go back to this guy. So far, I'm just feeding them. Oh my goodness. Oh my friends, that was crazy. I just had the camera turned off and then had to turn it right back on because this pole was bananas. This one tried to get a bite. That was crazy. We got that one back out there. Oh, let's just keep feeding. Oh my goodness. I just threw that out there. So what has been, I got him. Let's see what's been stealing our bait. A little tiny bluegill. Come here, you. Well, we caught a fish. Oh, we need something bigger than you, buddy. Get out of there. Terrible. Not even as big as the palm of my hand. But we got one on the bank. Maybe we catch something bigger. Save for bait. Huh. There must be a school of tiny ones out there. It's almost like every time I cast out there's something grabbing it. You got a free meal. Oh my goodness. Well, at least they know we're giving them a good dinner. size, hold harder than the other one, that's for sure. Yeah, they're smaller. Oh, he's pretty though. Here, hold on a second. Watch one of these things go diving in the water when I get up. How'd that happen? See if you can see this. Don't flop on me now, buddy. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's a pretty fish. Back you go. Keep fishing. See if I'll sit there for more than 5 seconds. Nope. Holy cow. I thought I missed. Either that or there's a, oh, he come off right at the bank. Holy catfish. I bet there's a big old school of these little jokers out there, and when I missed that first one, the second one came up and grabbed it when I paused. Well, this is going to be a lot of fun this afternoon, folks. All right, my friends, it's getting it's probably a little bit after 6 o'clock, so we need to pack it up and start heading over to the campground. It's been a lot of fun, don't get me wrong. And I'm definitely leaving with less bait than I showed up with. You folks take care, and we'll catch back up over at the campground. All right, my friends, we've made it down here to our little campsite. And as I mentioned earlier, I think I did, we got a definite early start. That's because it's not quite the weekend yet. So we got the whole campground to ourselves. It took me a few minutes to drive around and pick out which site do I want. Oh, well, I appreciate y'all coming along, my friends. Y'all take care, and let's get a chair set up. Well, my friends, we've got reds all leveled out. Let's get that chair. Oh, I'll get the rest of it in a minute. First things first. Cheers to you, my friends. Oh. Ooh. Definitely went down a gravel road or two. Let's have a seat, folks. All right, my friends. I think this looks like a good enough spot to sit down. We've got got a lot of choices. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time since I've been in an empty campground. But that's what you get when you get a chance to get out early in the week. Cheers to you, my friends. So I felt pretty fortunate for that this week. Oh, that was a lot of fun down there by the water. Birds flying around, swooping the fishing poles. Oh, and catching fish that big. Oh, I did a lot more, them little tiny jokers, I'll tell you what, I did a lot more casting and reeling than I did catching. But it was fun. Oh, and now we've got a nice, peaceful campground. I don't think, except this one sweat bee, I don't think we're going to have an issue with cicadas. That's nice, because I can actually hear the crickets. And there's a lot of birds just playing around out here. So it's just so peaceful out here right now. Holy cow. Well, my friends, we don't have too much time before it's ready to get dinner going, but dinner's going to go pretty quick because tonight I'm going to make some hot wings and onion rings. Something real easy to cook up and versus on our last episode with 42 layers of crunch wrap. So everybody out there, appreciate y'all coming along. This so far, this has been a really, really good day. So I'm pretty excited. So again, cheers to you, my friends. As soon as I finish this beer off, we'll get dinner going. So y'all take care, and we'll catch back up when we're ready to build a fire. All right, my friends. Now I brought charcoal to cook over today, just so I can have a nice even heat for that chicken. Let's hope that's not too damp in there. I probably should have checked that first. Whoops. But I'm hungry. Oh my goodness. Let me give this a squirt. That should be sufficient. So we'll get this going so we can get our chicken on here. I wonder what that bird is. Hope you can hear that. Not sure which way the wind's really going. All right. Should be, I'll probably end up lowering it. We'll see how it goes. All right, my friends, get our chicken on here directly. All right, my friends, let's get our wings on here. And it's definitely, it is damp in the bottom of the thing. We're throwing off a lot of smoke. Or it could be this charcoal I got. I've never used this store-bought brand before, but it was on sale. But sometimes you get what you get. So let me get these on here, and we'll get to cooking. All right, my friends, let's start getting our oil heated up. That'll take a few minutes, and those wings are getting pretty close. Try to keep them from burning if we can. That's more than plenty. Yeah, we'll save it. There we go. Won't be long, folks. Man, my stomach's growling. Oh. And our sun is set. Perfect. All right, my friends, our oil's ready. It's got some frozen Kroger onion rings. Not quite as frozen now. We're gonna get these jokers going. Just breaking up on me. All right, we'll let that go for a minute, and then I'll probably make more. Put this back in the cooler. All right, there's our first batch. Let's see here. All right, we'll give that a minute to come back up. Shouldn't take long. We'll go check that chicken. They're sizzling away pretty good. All right, my friends, dinner is ready, but not complete. We had everything all ready, and I dove into the cooler, and I'm looking around, and no matter how many times I looked, I bought a little bottle of ranch dressing for the hot wings. It's still sitting on the counter at home. I was just so excited because we were getting an early trip that I just spaced it. All these things happen. So let's see how we did. They've been cooling for a minute. That is good. I'm going to need a lot of napkins. Oh, but that is really good. And there's good spice to it, but it's not crazy hot by any means. That's one down already. I'm glad I did bring a new roll of paper towels. But the wings I got, they're just the Kroger, already seasoned, ready to go. I thought that's just going to be quick and easy, and that's what I wanted. So, cheers to you, my friends. Oh my gosh. And the temperatures, if I haven't mentioned it, it's maybe 75 degrees, so it is just fantastic out here. Well, let's try these Kroger onion rings. Pretty good, I have to say. Well, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and dig into my hot wings, and we'll catch up. Well, I did stoke that fire up a little bit while I was waiting for these to cool down, so we'll catch back. We'll catch back up by that joker here in just a little bit. Oh, I'm so hungry. Mmm. Ooh. Missing that ranch dressing right about now. Oh, I think I got all that hot wing. Well, no, I don't. Off of me. I still got it all over my fingers. I'll go wash up here in a little bit. Oh, my friends. Oh, I feel so much better. I got some food in my belly. I tell you what. Sun setting. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a gorgeous night. And it's going to get down in the 50s tonight. Cheers, my friends. Oh, this has been a fine trip. I'll tell you what, we've had some road noise here and there. But other than that, it's been so quiet and calm. Ah, wish I had enough time. I'd like to stay another night, but I wish I had the time to do it. Holy catfish! Oh, and I think I might have got a little bit of sun out there by the water. I'll definitely know a little bit later. But it's supposed to be cool enough. I haven't even opened the windows on red yet. I can hear some of that road noise now. Oh, but tonight's dinner, I just want to keep it really easy, really simple, because I have something new. pardon the phrasing, cooked up for our next adventure. I won't tell you what the main dish is just yet, but we will be cooking cornbread at the campsite. I love my cornbread, and I thought, man, I have an opportunity that I can actually make it down there. So we'll get on all that next week. Well, my friends, I'm going to kick back. I'll stoke his fire up just a little bit. It's doing pretty good. And just call it a night. Enjoy this peace and quiet. So everybody out there, y'all take care. I appreciate y'all coming along, and I'll see you in the morning. It is definitely chilly this morning, my friends. Woo. Should have brought a jacket. Ah. Oh. Good morning, campers. Cheers, my friends. We have a very nice, peaceful, and chilly morning today. Ooh. Oh, it probably would have been a good idea to bring a light jacket, because I may have mentioned it yesterday. It got in the 50s last night. I mean, we didn't get cold in the back of red, but I'll tell you what, it was a, a little bit different story crawling out of him this morning. Ooh. Oh, it's nice and warm. Well, my friends, this has been a very good, simple little trip. We got to spend some time by the water. Caught a couple little tiny fish. But I don't know, that it raises my spirits. I've just had a lot of bad luck with fishing this year. You get that sometimes. It's fishing, not catching. But everyone out there, I do appreciate y'all coming along on these little camping adventures with me. I truly do. This was pretty good. We got to get out. We got out early. There's no crowd, obviously. And oh my gosh, just to enjoy this peace and quiet out here. Oh, especially this morning. But it is warming up a little bit. That sun's coming up, so that's a plus. Well, anyway, my friends, again, appreciate y'all coming along. Cheers to you. Y'all take care. And as always, I'll see you soon.